Ki nong hika school ki badan hapo ka SSA jong ka jala meglia menta kasi ka sautrik nailur kila ai por ya sorkar MDA bakan penur long no ya lai tili ki matching dawa hapo ka lai putrik menta ubnai lem kumta kin sedang biang ka jingki hau bnai risau da ka bakin sange bandit sim klasi khna school men pau ya ka jing persya ya ka jingle menti ka sorkar ya ka matching dawa ka jongki ya kani ki noi ka school SSA ka jala ki lai thu ha ka jiki ka chungki da ka shong klai mongor hamadan malki menta ka singi u president jongkani ka kunhun ulong ki nong hikai haba ki penlong ya ka examen ki penmi ru ya ka result jongki khna school la ki fail ni ki pass hanrei kani ka sorkar MDA mentala jan license duna ki shuh ong bet tang ya ka ju ka kantien baya ka mat jing lawa jongki noi kai ka sorkar kadang pe bnya bat examen bat lanu ka result kan penmi
ngi kino hikai haba ngi penlong examen ni penmi ro ya ka result pass or fail. Hari kebalengo MDA government minta lajan dap license matter is under examination. No result at all. Sakat no kidang kuah ban examine ya kena issue jongi. If our demand is genuine, today we want to send a clear message to the MDA government and also to the Honorable Education Minister and the Honorable Chief Minister. If our demand is genuine, implement with immediate effect. And if our demand is not genuine, throw out in the dustbin. That is a clear message I want to send to the MDA government. We have suffered a lot. We have suffered a lot. Nila Yasha Dakisnem Nila Yasha Henry Kenmau Pawai Briu Kadon Kalimit Haduk Katno Yin Yasha Kebaar Hakabai day Pakadiman Siongi ban create ya ki post ban kumjuro ban pinkendria ya baro kan arhajar sanspa sa huay ngut kinoy kaya SSA napo state implementation society shapo state education department on regular basis katung ka provision jok RT Act 2009 but ka SSA RTE norms kami ngidawa since 2016 kumbali ito isa jejelengkoy Hakapor ba? Chief Minister badan burom jungi sa Konrad sama House name Arajar Khandriu idang dai MP dai mai balai alam yang ni bani kendo yau Union Minister Prakash Javadkar New Delhi ida res ya kadik isu jungi layak krani ka isu jong kinoi ka SSA hadu hak Lok Sabha po parlimen when he is in power, everything is in hands. The decision is in his hand. Ulah pai dalam dek. Ngakwa ban pai ka message ke pasai sa MDA government. Ba katkum ka framework bat guidelines so ka SSA. Don arjai kinong hikai. Don SSA. Don government. Baro kinohikai ki bahasa thongkam na bentaban pentri kami ka scheme SSA kidai banlong ki common teachers. Then why in Meghalaya there is a segregation? Palay kadon ka jingya per la penya per yang i nado ka salary but kiway ki benefits which is violation of RTE Act 2009 and SSA RTE norms. We will organize second phase of agitation, that is mass casual leave of all 12,541 SSA teachers. We will do in the second phase a 2 days mass casual leave of all the 12,541 SSA teachers if the government fail to fulfill our 3 demands on or before 30th September 2021, then on October 2021, we will organize second phase of agitation, that is 2 days mass casual leave of all the 12,541 SSA teachers.
Kinong mi khmat ka party congress support ka jilam jong ba Himalaya em sang plyang kilalai bani aimen CM kinoi kai bapanlong ki jeki amadan malki bandawa ya la ka jong ka hok ka badei banyo habakran hakte ka jelang ba sang plyang loi thu ba mau lambat ki amali ka congress kinya beteng ban ai ka jingsan ba purai ka jingdawa jong kinoi kai school SSA ka jalla ki badan hadu khara raja sanspa sa huai ngot mat kini ki la kendu sibun ki jinge namar bak sorkar kam sngap ik jingdawa ka jongki ulo ong ba ya kani ka jingdawa jong kinoi kai unsakran biang hapok hin rabar halor ka hok kejengki.
Isokya habang isngap ya ke jing'e jong kinong hikay but nakaliang jonga kumangala jukit laba kumangala jura ya ke sur ke jongpi hapo ke dorbat hoan man kapor mentaru kumju kat ngidang long kene ke dorbat hoan ngin rabiang ya kitinge jongpi bangin pensawajur khamjur ban ya kai ba ikrani barbai menta khamjur shushu apo ka dorbat hoan namar ngi kwa bakane ka sorkar kadai ban le ai bakane ka sorkar bad menteri badai pej ya education udai baun sngap ya kiting dawa si jongpi Nimtep ke e gadon ke jing e handrai habadon kamon bantrei lese don kalat kelenti banwanra ya ke solution nginge bahagi ni kisngi nadu lasai bat hadu lasisngi ngidon kapor kabaki don ke motion ke bangilabu tangi benta jongpi ni paro kumni kumbangi zaya wan rekat hangne ngine shim benta hakan ka motion ka bangila ai ka subject plight of teachers in Meghalaya.
We are in the opposition. Our job is to draw the attention of the government pertaining to different issues that are where we are confronted with. So when we reach here, your president was speaking something in English which I couldn't understand, but then gist of his speech was told by my friends Mr. George Lingdo and Hima Samplia. That is how I could understand the gist of the speech delivered by the president. So, as I have told, our job is to draw the attention about different issues that we are confronted by. So definitely, we are having ongoing session. This is autumn session. So we will find out if we can take up your issues in the assembly in this ongoing session under the provision of the rules of procedure and conduct of business in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. Because we cannot just stand up and speak any issue, but we have to go through certain procedures. So there may be ways and means as to how we will take up this issue.